Monkey parents or monkey owners out there, what is the difference between abuse and neglect? The following is based on facts and not on opinions. Abuse, holding monkeys down if they were naughty, or they've just bitten you, or they're just too loud, and then you just hold them down for long periods of time to put them like in submissive move. Pulling monkeys' teeth to fit in with your lifestyle, making or forcing a monkey to smoke or to vape, or force them to drink alcohol or use drugs. Cutting monkeys' nails off to prevent them from scratching you. Restrict them in small bird or parrot cages. Unorthodox training methods is cruel. In other words, forcing them to perform tricks through pain or punishment. Failing to provide exotic veterinary help when the monkey is sick also falls under abuse. Doing something against monkey's will and continuously doing it. You guys must please remember, a monkey doesn't like to be restricted, to be held, unless they are very scared at the point where the owners have manipulated them. Neglect and abuse is very, very, very closely. There's a thin line between the two. Neglect is improper diets, lack direct sunlight, lack of enrichment in their space where they've been put, no water, which leads to malnutrition and dehydration, and then also a weaker immune system. Filthy cages or enclosures, which are prone to pick up diseases or infections. Leaving a single monkey alone for long periods of time. Now, neglect, often overlooked because it doesn't always involve direct violence, but can just be as harmful. There's a whole list. This is just a couple of points that I'm mentioning today, but there's a whole list which I can compile and I can send it through whoever wants to get it, but I'll do it on a later stage. I'll compile the whole list. It's quite a long list, but it's just to give you guys an idea of abuse and neglect. If you are a monkey parent and you are guilty of one of these or a couple of these, you really need to ask yourself, why did you get a monkey? It's like your child. If you have a baby child, you don't want him to suffer. You want what's best for him or for her. Now, with a monkey, it's exactly the same. They're very sociable and very intelligent creatures. Very, very. And there's a whole list of things that they need. So guys, yeah, until next time, this was just a couple of pointers. Thank you very much.